Good morning everybody, we are on day 2.5 today of our Disney trip. We are going to head down for breakfast now and then we're going to go to the swimming pool. It's a full day of rain today, so we're hoping we're going to have a little rest in the pool this morning and then maybe use our magic hours tomorrow for the rest of the trip. Come along, let's go see what it's like. Can I just say the beds are so comfortable. That's the comfiest bed I've ever had. Okay, we are just off to the Disney park now. We have left the hotel. It's 1:45?
Yes. Yeah.
It's 1:45. We had a swim this morning, we had breakfast, we had a sauna, and we had a steam room. We feel fresh. As you can see, it's raining, but we knew today was going to be all rain, which is why we've had a slower morning. We have a reservation at Agrabah's cafe at 3 o'clock. Okay, this is my outfit. I'm wearing an Ursula t-shirt with some leggings and some Converse. And it says, "You say witch like it's a bad thing." Very apt. Hitesh is just putting his poncho on already. Ta-da! They're €13, but if they rip you can exchange them apparently. And I've already ripped one. So we'll test that out. I'm going to go into the World of Disney shop now, off Disney Village, and then the entrance to the park is just there. And we've walked through Disney Village and around. We're looking for the black 1992 Disneyland Paris spirit jersey. We can't find it anywhere though. Wow. Look at the balloons. Ah, it's a French one.
Yeah, it is. Look at that, Mulan.
It's the new Disney trading game.
It's like Disney's version of Pokemon.
Yeah, looks good. Oh, it's so nice. We've just come into the Disney store off the Disney Village and let's have a look. They have the Scarlet Witch, Loungefly and Spirit jersey. It's nice. €80 for the Loungefly. Hitesh has found a spider bot. Are they?
Yeah.
What, like a remote control?
Yeah, fully remote activated. How cool is that?
Nice.
And they're different styles as well.
PSA, they have got some more Disneyland Halloween decorations. Still on the hunt for the spirit jersey, so we're going into the hotel boutique, see if we can see it in there. I really want to go into the hotel, Disneyland hotel lobby, see what it's all about. Oh, cute. They've got lots of mini ears. €20. Hitesh loves the lays. They are nice to be fair. Oh, they've got the Little Mermaid ears in here. Nice. And the jasmine. Aurora. Oh, I got called Aurora yesterday in my pink dress. It made my day. I should have been wearing these. They've got the Aurora ones. And I should have been wearing them with my dress yesterday. And they've got Little Mermaid.
Which would you prefer?
Jazz. Can I just say, I know I mentioned it yesterday, but the Disney attention to detail is incredible. They've planted like all new heathers in the shape of a pumpkin just for Halloween. How beautiful is this park? Like, this is just the entrance. Okay, Hitesh has been advised there are some of the spirit jerseys that we are after on the main high street in ribbons and bows.
I noticed, yeah.
I think that's what it's called, ribbons and bows. So we are just in Flora's Unique Boutique. They have a lot of the Halloween stuff out. Look at this loungefly. So cool. Noah has the black spirit jersey that he wants. I think they're sold out. Get the green one. I like it.
It's on the back.
The Nightmare Before Christmas. I like that one.
Get it.
I think you should get that one.
No, you get it.
So the main castle is there, and we're just going into Adventureland.
What?
Your face. We're just going into Adventureland for our reservation at Agrabah's Cafe. So I'll show you what that's all about as well. Yeah.
Voilà. Non, au contraire, c'est plus doux. C'est pas simplement un agneau. On l'aime, on le respecte.
So I've got some Mickey potatoes, sweet corn, couscous, hummus, Eastern style rice, garlic green beans, naan bread and salad. And Hitesh has got, you point at what you've got.
I've got hummus, green beans, lamb, prawn, spicy rice, beef pastry, falafel, Mickey potatoes and spicy potato.
So that's beef pastry and falafel. Alcohol.
Oh.
So we've just finished up in Agrabah Cafe. I think my final verdict is about maybe a 6 out of 10. What do you think?
Yeah, I think 6 for me as well.
It was nice and it was a different cuisine, which is always good. I just found there wasn't a lot of stuff to put with other stuff, so it's quite a lot of dry couscous, dry naan bread, dry rice. I don't know if that's just me because I'm not a big meat eater, so I didn't fancy the meatballs and things that were there. But the theming is really cool. What we did have was nice, and the desserts were nice, and the staff were really nice.
Yeah, I agree. But like you said, the mains, there's a lot of individual items, so like it's naan bread, but the mains, unless you like veal and lamb, there's not many options. I mean, like there's quite a few seafood options, but again, there's nothing like just simple chicken dry bits that you can have, like a chicken curry with rice or something. Like,
yeah,
it's very specific.
Yeah, but nice to experience, and I really like the section of Aladdin, Agrabah here is really nice. Hitesh's seen this one now. We can't get his other spirit jersey, which also says 1992. He wants the 1992 one because that's the year he was born. Oh, and it says Disneyland Paris. Just bought Premier Access for Peter Pan's flight because it was over an hour wait pretty much every day since we've been here, so we thought let's just do it, and this is what it looks like. And it was €13 each, so it's not cheap. Look, we're floating. Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting it to be like, ooh.
It's very fast though, wasn't it?
Yeah. I feel like I need to go on it like 5 more times to like see what I missed.
Yeah.
Okay, we really liked it. I really loved it. It was too fast. It needed to be longer is our conclusion of that. But otherwise, I had a really nice time.
The theming's great, the props are great. You go through the whole story, start to finish, of Peter Pan. But yeah, speed, it's too fast, so you don't really get time to absorb the scenery.
Yeah. But I really liked it. Worth paying for? He said no. So we're in Frontierland now, which is where Big Thunder Mountain is, to try and get onto the boat. Just here. The theming of this park is lovely. Thunder Mountain is my favourite ride so far. I'm going to try and go on Thunder Mountain later and record it. The Molly Brown. I think it goes around the lake. Just wait there.
de ne pas fumer. Et pour votre propre sécurité, ne vous asseyez pas sur les rambardes. Notez également.
Thunder Mountain. Definitely go on that again. Ah, the Phantom Manor is there. Did we see this on the train ride? I remember them rocks. Nice. The bit in the dark at the end is the best bit.
Yeah.